Good afternoon, this is Dana Weil with Coldwell Banker Select. I'm in Bartlesville, Oklahoma at listing 5712 Hazel Road, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath gem of a house, and let's take a look. This home has an amazing large corner lot with mature landscaping and a really good curb appeal. The entire house is treated with a termite bait system, and they've also installed new storm doors on the front and the back of the exterior. We're inside the entryway of 5712 Hazel Road. Beautiful front door. We're just going to pan around from the hallway to the main living area and to the dining room. Beautiful large windows. If you like light, this is the space for you. We're going to travel through into a butler's pantry area. This home has a security system wired in. Stays with the home. Nice little nook for some officing if you'd like to office at home. This has a full pantry. And as we travel into the kitchen, you'll see that it's got all stainless appliances. This kitchen also has undermount lighting as well as inside the cabinets. And the refrigerator does stay with the home. State-of-the-art appliances with a safe top induction oven, granite countertops, and a lovely bar for entertaining. Plenty of counter space. A really pretty nice bright open breakfast nook that leads out into a covered patio. And here's a view of the living room from the kitchen. Nice high vaulted ceilings. Next we'll travel out onto the patio. Lovely covered porch. This lot is completely privacy fenced. It's a really nice green space. Next we'll go out into the garage. This home has some amazing features. The previous owners installed above car storage racks. This has a whole home water filtration system. As well as a tankless water heater. Never gonna run out of hot water. As we travel down the main hallway, you've got lots of extra added storage cabinets. All the rooms have really large windows, excellent lighting. That was bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. Really good sized bedrooms with walk-in closet. Down to the laundry room, which is really conveniently located in the hallway with the bedrooms. Here's the hall bath and the master bedroom. There's a really nice master walk-in closet as well as a separate private toilet, jacuzzi tub, and double sinks. Hey everybody. As well as a really good sized shower. I think you'll find that this house checks all the boxes. It's move-in ready and ready to go for you and your family. If you have any questions, need additional information, my name is Dana Weil and my number is 918-906-6600. You can also find me online at awasahomesandlifestyle.com.